Hi, welcome to Next Level Skateboards. Today we're doing an unboxing. We've got a ton of new brands and I'm really excited to show you guys, so let's get into it. $825. Tommy Flynn, Plan B. We have Plan B boards now. G'day, mate. Australian. Wow. The Mike Vallely popsicle board. I remember I saved up as a kid to get the street board. I got it on the wall there. But this is the popsicle shape of the Mike Vallely. We have Powell boards now. Oh, another Tommy Flynn, 825. Brian is here just in time. New Plan B boards. Chris Jocelyn, 8.3. Plan B. What do you think of that, Brian? Craig's here too. Holy. This is really special unboxing. The dudes are all here. Chris Jocelyn, 8.3. Plan B. Well, let me get to it. This is 8.0. This is the Plan B team board. Craig DeWaron and Brian are in the house. A lot of new Plan Bs. PJ Ladd, 8.3. That's pretty dope. 8.0, Pat Duffy, the OG rail jammer. Damn, that is cool, hey? Pat Duffy. Oh, Danny Way, 8.5er. Oh, that's scary. Pretty dope, eh? Damn, I got Danny Way's board now. Whoa. Andy Anderson. Whoa. It's got the top sheet, the flight deck top sheet too. Yeah, this is the flight deck construction. Oh, the Andy Anderson. Wow. That is fancy. All right, let's go on to the next box. Here we go. You guys.